What's going on, guys? Got Kyle here with Layton Sports Cards, and we are ripping 2022 Select Football Hobby 3-box case break, or sorry, 3-box break number 8, random teams. We did a random before the break here. Show you again the results. We had Kihun K with the Vikings down to Rodolfo with the Chiefs. Can always check those results on our website, Layton Sports Cards. All the way at the bottom have the results section.
Just really quick, Kyle, you're gonna want to change the results to 8. It still says 7.
Oh. Yeah, let me change that, guys. Give me 1 second here. How do I change it?
I think you have to go back to where. How's Forrest do it?
Yeah, text for us. All right, guys, we'll get started on this one. Number 8, 3-box random team. Just ask him how to do it. So, guys, that second set of results does say number 7, but it is number 8. There's obviously a number 7 right before it, so we'll get that changed here in a second. I need to figure out how to do that first. There's a Sensations Nick Chubb. We've got Silver Leonard Floyd for the Rams. Snoop Connor rookie. There's a Tricolor Taylor Heineke for the Commanders. That one is number 2/199. Heineke. And to 99, we've got Allen Robinson on the auto for the Rams. A-Rob the second. Out of 99, got a Drake London base as well.
So go to blog posts.
Okay. There's a Neon Signs of Jalen Waddle. We've got Kyle Pitts silver and a Kehu on the rookie. I'm there. Oh.
There should be maybe like an edit.
Just take me to view it. I have to redo it.
I think you might.
Okay.
Potentially.
All right, guys, give me just a second here to redo this blog post. Alrighty, guys. Now the results are updated. Sorry about that, guys. Had number 7 on it. Now it is number 8. There's a Sauce Gardner base there for the Jets. Chris Olave rookie sensations. And we have Christian Watson. Nice one here for the pack to 99 on the RPA. That one is 55/99. There we go, Packers. Christian Watson on the RPA. Got a Malcolm Rodriguez club level. Desmond Ridder rookie. Got a Tyreek Hill. And this is Kyler Murray on the red Mojo. That one is numbered to 49. Nice Kyler there. Got another filler. Silver Russ. And a rookie Derek Young. We've got silver field level David Montgomery. And Scary Terry. There's a silver snapshots Najee for the Steelers and a silver Tom Brady, nice club level Bucks. John Taylor field level. Ooh, we got Trevor Lawrence for the Jags to 49 on the blue power field level.
Nice.
We go Jags. That's a sick looking card there. 13 of 49 on the T-Law. We've got a Kyle Hamilton rookie, Silver Juju, and Saquon. This is jersey to 75, Mike Evans there on the white jersey for the Bucks. Got a silver rookie, Calvin Austin, Aaron Donald. We've got Myles Garrett on the tricolor. That one is to 149 for the Browns. Another filler. Got silver rookie, Nakobe Dean for the Birds.
Nice.
David Montgomery. We've got an Isaiah Likely, nice one here for the Ravens, blue power. That is number 2, 149. We got a Sauce Gardner suite level. That is Boy Mafe, silver rookie, Seahawks. Right, guys, last pack of the first box. There's a Malik Willis Sensations rookie for the Titans, Bobby Wagner silver, and James Conner field level. Alrighty, guys, box 2. Good luck. And after this, we'll be doing just personals for the rest of the night, guys. Just personals for the rest of the night. Sam pulling that snakeskin, man. I got some work to do.
Yeah, yeah, we do.
gotta get a 1-on-1, I guess, or the other snakeskin, the 2. There's a Mahomie, Travis Etienne, and a Zonovan Knight silver rookie for the Jets. Got Dameon Pierce rookie field level, nice one for the Texans. Silver snapshots, Eckler, Chargers, and Brian Cook rookie silver for the Chiefs. 2 at field level. Hey, Jerry Judy, there's white Kyle Pitts there for Atlanta. Nice one to 35. Hopefully they use him a bit more this season, man. There's a silver rookie, Jeremy Ruckert.
Yep.
Von Miller. I've drafted him twice in fantasy. They just don't use him enough. I find myself screaming at the TV. There is a red Dameon Pierce. Nice one there for the Texans. That one is to 149 concourse level. Josh Jacobs. Filler, silver, Devontae Adams. Harrison Phillips. Thibodeau, we got a Sensations rookie. That is Kenny Pickett. Nice one there for the Steelers. And to 49, we've got Copper RPA going to the Commanders, Brian Robinson. Nice one there. That is 2 of 49. Very solid hit on the Rob RPA. Kevin Harris, rookie base. Sensations of Garrett Wilson, or Phenomenon, sorry. A silver suite level, PS2, and Brees on the club level. We've got Tyler Linderbaum on the blue power. This is Sam's boy right here for the Ravens. That one is to 199. And auto is going to be white auto to 35, Rex Burkhead for the Titans there. Or sorry, the Texans there. To 35, Rex Burkhead. Jair Alexander, club level. We've got Deshaun Watson tricolor suite level, number 2, 149. Silver George Kittle. Sam Williams rookie. There's a Neon Icons, Brian Robinson, Commanders, and that is Jamal Williams on the silver field level. Going to be on the Saints this year. See if he can still be a touchdown hawk. He had so many last year. It was crazy.
I don't know.
There's a Silver Sky Moore for the Chiefs. Got Kyle Phillips.
Kamara might have something to say about that.
True. It's very true. This is jersey number 299, going to be for the Jags, Trevor Lawrence. Couple of nice T-Laws there for the Jags. We got a Dameon Pierce silver rookie for the Texans. Kyle Hamilton. Another nice red mojo here. It's going to be Cortland Sutton. That one is number 249 for the Broncos star. Got silver rookie of Velus Jones, Bears, Derek Carr. And last box, guys. Good luck on this one, number 3. This is 3-box break number 8, random teams. Good luck here, guys. Let's see some fire. All right. That sound like Matthew McConaughey there?
No.
There's a silver neon icons of Jalen Waddle. Best celebration in the league. There's A.J. Dillon silver.
It really is.
T. Higgins. Donnie, hit a Waddle for us real quick. Hit a Waddle for the boys.
Tell you what, we hit a Kenny Pickett like snakeskin. I'll do a Waddle.
Deal. We got a James Cook. Nice one here on the tricolor field level rookie. Here you go, Bills. That one is 29/75. Nice cookie there. And we have Kadarius Toney on the patch auto for the Chiefs. One of the first Kadarius Toney Chiefs cards I've seen. That is the 49 there on the patch auto. Nice hit, Chiefs. Tyler Conklin.
Is this his first product in Chiefs?
It might. It's the first one I remember seeing. What do we have there? Oh, that's a die cut. I was wondering why it was. There's Mac Jones. Ooh, this is sick. We got die cut tie-dye rookie auto, Jahan Dotson.
Oh, wow.
This is a wild looking die cut there. That is numbered 6/25. Nice hit, Commanders. On the tie-dye rookie auto. That is a sweet looking die cut. Got Dawson Knox. I like that one.
Best part about it, it's not going to be hard to top load.
True. There's no jagged corners or X-shaped cards like the some of the products have.
Yeah.
There's Sensations of D-Hop. We got a Tom Brady silver and Christian Watson on the base rookie. Trying to find a Kenny here, Cole. I'm trying to get Donnie to dance.
Try to give me the Waddle.
There we go. Terry McLaurin for the Commanders again, number 299. There's filler. Got silver rookie David Bell, Browns. Tom Brady base. Treylon Burks rookie. We've got Treston Ebner rookie Blue Power for the Bears. That one is to 149. Got another filler. Got silver Kyler Murray. And Marcus Jones rookie.
Make sure we mag that filler.
Yeah. We could mag a lot of fillers going on. We run out of mags quick. I don't know if it's every other pack, but it feels like it at this point. We got Aiden Hutchinson on the Lions neon icons. Silver Akeem Hicks. And a Abraham Lucas. Come on, let's see a big one here. Let's see a Mazda. There's a Neon Signs Breece Hall for the Jets. Silver Jimmy G. And a Wilkins, Christian Wilkins on the field level. This is Brock Purdy on the rookie jersey number /75. Nice one there, Niners. That is 7/75 on the rookie jersey. We've got a silver Tyler Lockett, Nick Bolton. There's a Tom base. We got Dak on the tricolor for the Cowboys to 199. Another filler. We've got a silver Parham rookie for the Raiders. Cordero Patterson and 2 left, guys. 2 left. Snapshots Allen. We have silver rookie Devin Lloyd. Field level rookie Jalen Petrie. Got tricolor Javonte Williams for the Broncos to 249. Got a Patrick Mahomes and silver Gabe Davis on the back with a Hunter Renfrow club level. Alrighty, guys, that does do it for 2022 Select Football 3-box break number 8, random teams. Thank you all so much for filling up the breaks tonight. We got personals up next.